You're watching EDS TV.
At first he tried the old "you came out of nowhere behind me man" card. He was just panicking and I wouldn't hold that against him. After a minute he collected himself, apologized, and asked if the camera was okay and exchanged information. It's only a matter of time until they voluntarily remove themselves from the gene pool through an act of criminal stupidity.
Despite being dripping wet, she had a stupid grin on her face, eyes alight with excitement. Wax couldn't help smiling himself as he stowed Burnett's sphere and tied on his gun belt, then shoved his shotgun into the holster. Remember, you're not supposed to find things like that fun, Steris. You're supposed to be boring. I have it on good authority from this woman I know. A tone-deaf man, Steris said, can still enjoy a good quiet, even if he could never participate. Not buying the act, my dear, Wax said. Not any longer. You just climbed on top of a moving train car and shot a bandit, rescuing your fiancé. It behoves a woman, she said.
Notice that they always avoid the light because they know if they sat next to the person they raged at the light, they'd feel incredibly dumb about what they did.
Evan's son might get maybe at least 5 people. A table for 5.
Yeah.
We're coming down the street.
Oh, wait, fuck!
I'm curious as to who would be found at fault by insurance myself. Being an unprotected left, I would expect it would be that guy, but I don't know. Either way, he's an idiot. The camera didn't expect the truck to stop, just to stop switching into their lane so the truck didn't cause an accident. At least the paramedics were at the right place at the right time. That is some very impressive response time. The New York left is when someone turns left as soon as the light turns green on a yield on left. They try to beat the cars going straight. I call this one a Pittsburgh left. Luckily, they were empty. The camera claims that he tossed out a bucket full of concrete like 6 weeks ago. If that was the case, this would have ended up much worse for that driver. Well, that was a good start. A BMW driver finally using their turn signal. Next time, let's aim for the correct turn signal. The Dodge driver was crab walking away from both embarrassment and a bent toe arm. I see so many people feel that they have to be the leftmost lane literally right now. Blithering nanobrains in my opinion.
Oh my. Holy sh.
The driver that crashed seemed fine according to the camera because they were able to walk around. I wonder what excuse the yellow car had.
Whoever they are, it doesn't matter how old the photo is, they're going to be beautiful and beautiful and they ageless.
Probably successful.
Oh
I could
my.
send you as like a CEO or something.
I don't know what you guys are on about.
I'll admit, I've been that idiot before. It's not a fun feeling when you realize what you did down the road. I absolutely love Karma Cop clips. The driver really ran 2 red lights, technically. This is one of those, I stopped with the car ahead of me and I was close to the line so I should be able to go now kind of people. What a giant douche. They clearly knew the camera was there and had zero regard for the camera's safety or the rules of the road. I hope this incident gets them fired at least, or jail at best.
Yeah.
No C. What is C? Compression?
Yeah.
No C. Just rye.
Right.
The camera took way too long to react to that. He needs to look further ahead in my opinion. Maybe they were thinking of using the lane 2 to get ahead, but then saw the camera and stopped. Either way, they're still an idiot for hesitating and straddling the lines. Either commit in the first place or stay in the lane. Thank you for watching. Please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing because it really helps me. If you'd like me to feature one of your clips, please email it to originalddsTV2@gmail.com.